You only need two ingredients to make soy nuts. Dried soybeans, mine come from my neighborhood bulk barn, and water, mine comes from the tap. I start by weighing 40 grams of dried soybeans and then adding about 200 grams of water. I close the container to prevent splashing, but there is absolutely no need to do that. The container goes in the fridge for 12 hours. In other words, the soybeans are soaked for 12 hours. After 12 hours, they are taken out of the fridge, drained in the colander, and put in a microwavable mug. I like to weigh them in order to check that they have soaked for a long enough time. In my experience, that means that their weight has doubled, give or take a gram or so. The mug goes in the microwave for 10 minutes at 50% strength. Since all microwaves are not the same, your timing may have to be adjusted. After microwaving, the beans are stirred, for no other reason than that two or three of them sometimes stick to the mug, and I would then have to use a spoon to take them out anyway. I then put them in a small dish for me to eat them. Once again, I like to weigh the nuts just to make sure everything went as planned. In my experience, the beans will weigh slightly less than the original dried soybeans, about 6% less. That's really all there is to it. It is certainly possible to add all types of tastes and salt, but I prefer to eat them as they are. Bon appetit!